What if I told you that you could build a fully functional business app, complete with databases, user authentication, and AI integration, without writing a single line of code? And what if I told you it could be done in under an hour? Today, I'm diving into Databutton, a platform that completely changes how entrepreneurs can build powerful business applications. By the end of this video, you'll learn 3 things. Number 1, how to leverage this tool to create apps that could revolutionize your business operations. Number 2, how to potentially generate new revenue streams. And 3, how to get started today. Let's begin. Let's get started how we can use Databutton to build powerful business applications. To begin, let's go to databutton.com. Now, here is a platform where we can use this to build the software for our business, custom software. So how can we leverage this platform for our own business? In the comment section down below, let me know what kind of business are you trying to create or that you're running, and what are you needing for your business? For example, are you trying to create a custom CRM? Are you trying to create some type of system for your leads or sales? Let me know. Now, this is one of the best parts of Databutton, the support. As you're creating this platform, it's basically having your own CTO, Chief Technical Officer, by your side as you're creating this application. And if we look at the section where it says built with Databutton, you can see some great examples how people have created custom software for their own business, including CRMs. Also, if we are having an application for inventory, and the list goes on. This will allow you to see different examples of how you can be using Databutton. Now, if you're going to be using this, it's important before you even start, you have to start thinking about what you're going to be using in your business. And after that, when you go in and start with Databutton, the link is down below, you can then create new app, and you will go through the 4 steps to build that software for your business. You'll be able to describe the application, then have the specific requirements for your application, be able to plug in inspiration, and then integrations. In fact, the link is down below to see the step-by-step process, how we use Databutton and what we've created for our own business and for our clients. Now, as you go through this, you're going to discover or write out what are you using this platform, or what are you using Databutton for? For example, when we go into description, it says describe your app and what it does and who it's for. So I could do something like, I'm trying to create a custom CRM for my window cleaning business. I am using the application for my workers and tracking invoices. Okay, so I have the framework of what I want for my application. And then here in my requirements, I can add requirements, user stories, specifications, and quotes. That will allow my application to be more robust, and I can start making it tailored for what my needs are. In the comment section down below, what are you creating? Or if you need help, we also have a community where we help different businesses, or we offer one-on-one consulting calls so you can start seeing this for your own business. Now, here's an example of a directory that we built. We did this all with Databutton, and this allows us to have a directory. This is for a side hustle directory, but you can have tons of different directories. You could have this if you were doing real estate. You could have a custom portal for your clients or potential clients to see, and the list goes on. You could also do a directory if you're helping ones get government contracts in your area, in your county. You could create your own directory. Now, the potential with this is not only can you do this for your own business, but you could generate another form of income by offering to do this for other businesses. You could do it in a similar vertical or in a complete different vertical, but rinse and repeat what works for you, like a custom CRM. If you're doing it for window cleaners, you could do it for plumbers, or you could do it for electricians. You could plug and play what's working for you and then be able to create it for your audience or for potential clients as well. So what are you waiting for? What are you planning to do? Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you planning to create a directory? Are you planning, which if you create a directory, you could do something like a micro SaaS. You could charge for the access to the directory, or maybe create a template or a app that you can do a plug and play for another business? Let me know in the comments section down below. And if you want to get started with Databutton right now, there's a link down below to start and step-by-step video that's going to show you how to use Databutton today.